San Diego Police Department helicopter stalking. Circled me a couple times, so I'm going to see if he keeps circling me. I've been getting highly gang stalked by this police department as well as the sheriff's department. I was able to get an internal affairs report in with the sheriff's department. I have to try this department again to see if I can finally get a report in for internal affairs about this. You see the light. They're trying to spotlight me in the daytime. The amount of people gang stalking me in vehicles is absolutely absurd in this city. It's the amount of people that makes it unbelievable to the naked eye, to anybody that I would try to report that I'm being massively gang stalked to. You know, the amount of cooperation is astounding. And I'm also on remote neural monitoring. They show me that every day. The police are continuously using their sirens to let me know that I'm on remote neural monitoring. Illegally using their sirens. As you can see, the light on the police helicopter continuously flashing. It's taking photos of me. Gang stalkers are down there at the hotel parking lot. There's some gang stalkers that always make sure that they are in this corner area here where I'm using this junction box to charge my phone. They make sure that people are going to walk in the area. Of course, it all looks innocuous, so, you know, it's pointless for me to film this. But at the same time, the answers lie in their phone. They're targeting me for my internet usage as well. As soon as I got on the internet on my phone, I had it in airplane mode the whole time I was charging it. Then I decided to start using it to go online, and here we go. The police come stalking me while I'm using it. As you can see, they keep circling and flashing the light, so that's clearly harassment tactics being done. Oh, look at the drone. It's meeting